what we have done yesterday?
So we have done like so that the email won't like repeat.
Yeah. Have you done different fields like mobile and some other, like you can also take the pin code or location like that. You can try it with different fields. Okay.
Okay, so I did it
Okay.
with
Have you?
mobile and
Okay.
email.
Okay. Okay. Today let's do change password. Actually, we have done update our profile, but we have to do change password also. Okay.
So like forgot password.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not forgot password. It is change password. Okay. You should remember, if forgot password means if we forget our password, it will come to mail, and that process is different. But now we are doing change password. That means changing our Wi-Fi password. If we know our old password only, you can change the password. If not, you can't do it. Okay.
Yes, okay, sir. But sir, what I'm trying to tell is that if you forget your password, you have to change it, right? So I'm telling like that.
For that, I will tell in further other class. Okay. Today, let's do the change password. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Password we have, we should have a HTML page. Okay. HTML page, like let's take as change password. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In change password, what are the fields are required means old password and new password. If you want, you can also take your email from the backend. That means what is the email which is running in the session can be taken to in the front end. Okay. We can show it in the
Okay, sir.
front end. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First of all, we have to take a form tag. In this form tag, you are posting the data now, so you have to take your method as post.
Okay, sir.
What will be the type of our password? Our what?
Sir, password. Sir, password only.
Okay. Equal to password only.
Name is all equals to old password.
Okay, you can take old password, or you can also take password also. Okay, for the new password, we have to take new password only. Okay,
Okay.
we have to take two different names, and let's keep a required field here. Take another label.
New password.
Here also we will use password only, because we are changing. We are using both the fields as password only. No, that's why we are
Okay, sir.
using password. Also, we have to tag here, and also let's take email from the session here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
what is the type of email?
Sir, type of email is email.
There is no need to take any name here, okay? Just we have to show the email which is on our session.
Okay, sir.
It is read only. So required. We should not edit this email. So I have taken this read only here, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Sure. Here we have to give our HTML page, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's check out whether our page, whether we have done our HTML correct or not. Or else, and just I will open, simply I will open my page. Answer. We have done with our URLs. Also, we have to place this URLs in our index page, right?
Yes, sir.
No, we are doing our change password in our profile now, so we have to keep this change password URL in our profile. After login only, you have to change the password now.
Yes, sir.
So let's take profile page. Uh, Here we have to pass our change password URL.
Okay, sir.
Let's check whether Gmail. Okay, I got my change password link here. And also I got my email, password and new password. Okay, I got it correct only. Now I have to write the logic, but I have to align this in a correct order. If I use a break tag here, it will come in a correct order. Right. See, I got in order-wise, I got email, old password, and new password. But here I can't make any changes in my email input box because I have kept a read only here. In old password and new password, I can type anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But I should get my email from backend. Okay. Here it should get automatically. Okay.
Yes, sir. But I'm sorry, you forgot to write the submit button.
Yeah. Gitam.
So you forgot the submit button.
Yeah, I forgot. So very good, Gitam. In the password. That's it. Also, I got my button also. Now I have to write a logic for this. When I'm running, I got this warning. No, I think you are also getting the same warnings in your machine, right?
But I'm not doing it, sir.
Okay, but while you are running, I think you are getting these to avoid these warnings. Just we have to place this default autofill in our settings. Okay, so see our settings.py file. At the end, you can add these autofill. Okay, default autofill.
Okay, sir.
Default autofill. You have to by placing these line in your settings.py file, you can avoid these warnings. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if you if you are getting that warnings, you can do this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now let's write logic for our change password. Okay,
Okay, sir.
first of all, we have to for change password you have different type of different logic. Okay, so we have
Okay,
to
sir.
take a function. That function indicates that the change password action should be done only when it is in login. If not, it should not change the password. Okay, so we
Okay,
have to
sir.
write another function in this change password. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this login represents that if it is login, you can write any function name, but if you use this is login, it will looks formal. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if that session contains the same email, then it will return true.
Okay, sir.
Else it will return false. That's it. If it is true only, it will go to the uh, that condition. Okay, that change password logic. Okay, if not, it will not execute that logic. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this function in our change password logic. Okay, there is no need to write any URLs, and there is no need to write any HTML page for this function. Okay, but this is
Okay,
not
sir.
function URLs and templates. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If this condition satisfies, it will go. It will go to the next line. If not, it will stop here only and gives gives an error output. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We're using post method now, so we have to use post. We have to post our old password and new password now. So let's take password equal to request dot post. Equal to request dot new password. We are posting our old password and new password. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And also let's take our session email in the session. Okay. Equal to request in session. Let's take email. Okay. Okay. Now, if what is our table name? What is our model name? I think my model name is okay. My model name is customer. In this customer, I have to change the password. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Am I audible?
So your voice is breaking,
Hello.
sir. So your voice is breaking.
Okay. Hello, Ethan.
So you, so I can hear you, but there's some, but it's still breaking.
Okay. Okay, Ethan. Wait. Ethan, is it clear now?
No, no, sir.
Okay, I
No,
will
sir.
meeting and I will.
Okay.